Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
We have history in this country. Say about invitations. Now, Anchor Chairman, on a normal day, and what's a Anchor invitation by the CID? Enye bibia, ebema, Rebecca say I generate cacophony, ni confusion, ni chaos, ni noise. Now, so, choir over the years, police are behaving the chairman. You can say you invite you bia, say you are politically exposed. Now, especially or belong to the opponents, pe other political party, pe na ama aye gidi. Now, some small research I'm here, you know, somewhere in September 2010, and may so rest in peace. Your chairman then, Jake Obechebi Lamte, Francis Siem, and yes, say John, police issue invitation to them, say, some media group within the NDC, I could hear complaints, say, Francis especially, I can't be say 2 people died in one by-election. Nah.
Yeah.
Later it came out, it turned out not to be so. Now, creative fear and panic, and the police in arrest war. Chairman.
Yeah.
This culminated in an invitation. That me tis an invitation. Now me was my bedroom. Me say, me say, away. Me say, enko sishi. Because sebi o sakasano. Even if it's true, and I see here, if it's a cry, it cannot land in the law courts and end up with someone being punished for fear and panic. Chairman. Now, so this is part of our history. The America when he said because of why I first why use invitations in it, and there's a mobile or power now you invite you be now I sort of know where these things are coming from, Chairman. Now, what I want to say is, Chairman, procedures I use over years are turning out to be either controversial, either vague. Invitation are vague. I remember the last time Obi Kraka say invite you na time I open na oba na inye strict and this arrest. Nyama chama adinu hu ni ye but for because say amorphous. A tool a police use is subject to all kinds of interpretations. And in my honest opinion, we've come to the place where the police should find innovative ways if they really have a foundation or more basis or more so say it was so being bra police no yem tutu na numa sama chairman. Let's use other ways. This invitation of me can say member chairman. We kai Justice Atuguba of Bisa Sir John say, you are before me now. Show me your powers. You against the state. If the state comes for you, chairman, who are you? If Anka police force they have enough foundation. Now Ofoswan Pofo must be questioned. No more confused, no more arrest her. Who is Ofoswan Pofo to say I'm not coming? He will go. Obeko like Dr. Kobo Ebeko, because he say within a particular 48-hour period, you have to let me go on bail or we proceed to the courts, Chairman. So what I am asking is say the police structures and administration should use innovative ways, less controversial, or even if they mean well, and could send some signals. Now, Chairman, yeah, na ma camp proverb way I want crime. Ake oula ni fala da ko ke sheba le je patashi ake hale chum ochu na ke sani e hale agbona chama abranti ani krosunu obesa on fan krama na on friend so on ba kitchen because house flies tired and edinichi. So if you are dealing with individuals who are either politically exposed, chama when I'm not talking about discriminating against persons, but you apply wisdom. Ufre Sebi you my roommate. Maybe I'm using an example. Dr. Yusuf Adani Chama. Ufre na nopa iso onko police headquarters non trawa from anopa to numbe obi animu. Yeah. You can see it will not generate any furore. But if you are inviting Sebi Chama, Mikramin Druch, National Chama, Dr. Koboy, say yeah, you should show me your police headquarters Chama. In Puanu na boys say see police headquarters. I say Branton or say I'm calling my boys.
Uforiata Shakespeare.
Yes, that is not to say me force to say. I'm trying to speak.
I see what you mean.
I have people who are ready to lay down their lives for me. Chairman, we are not going to why, but that is the truth. Into your police service, find innovative ways. Now, if we're back to the place where you have connected your dots and it said the man must be questioned, go for him. Who is he? I'm your brother. your friend is Nsami Oku. Oba Supreme Court. Or Chechem Kakachama. When the state comes for you, nobody in the NDC or MPP can refuse or stand against the state. You must subject and submit yourself. Now, Chairman, me pacho, ma say, ebimu are losing focus. Ebimu are, some are going for the woman.
But Opa just a police is so they should have exercised restraint.
Oh, Chairman, me see innovative ways. Yes, methods are why usual. It has proven in the past. Say, it come with resistance, ni confusion, ni commotion, ni kasa. Chairman, na the real substance cry in for any of so. I'm not saying say they cannot invite.
Yes, but
our history actually say invitation in crown a vague. Me say a vague. It's as if nipa no pay and all ba and on ba. Chairman, you cannot ask a man to give you a knife to stab him. If investigations are out by building case, yanwa. Either you apply, they say drink deep or taste not.
Taste not.
Either you go for him or build your case and let him come to the court and answer. Now, I am one of the people at Chairman. I prefer the courts to speak more than for state agencies to speak, Chairman. The reason is that in the courts, you have the opportunity to make your case and defend yourself. Now, me pacho police administration, titi ways I use even if that is what has been applied. Me, I insist, Madam Tiwa, in my opinion, everyone say no on your computer. I say, in my opinion, she's a good officer. The only thing is that their departments must find innovative ways. Chairman.
Okay.
Ochina uko nya police bia police ni bia open favor from the government in power. NPP now abemwa. There are tools they can use. Oh, money so ntimi family court. I know ntimi jail me. Now so they can frustrate me, Chairman. So the point I'm making is say, me I know ebi mama can say, oh doctor, say omo di afemu, let it happen to them, Chairman. I insist the signals are President Akufo-Addo are sending to this country in terms of achievement. They are good signals. We don't need interference. I don't need other signals from other state agencies, even if they mean well, to come and be interfering with the president's or this government's achievements. Chairman, I'll plead with state agencies. You see, not all things are right are beneficial. There's a Bible verse that speaks like that. Even if the law is exactly, Chairman. So exactly, Chairman. Me pacho recently. Matisse Bimwanye Juma Amanya Bibi even in the prison service. Brompton portfolio. You see, I hear factory. Chairman. When I hear things like that, I get excited. Politics, I hear Koba Chairman. It's about giving opportunity to people so they can sustain their families. Asa, Chairman, Nana Akufo-Addo wants to build a country that will either directly give jobs or support the creation of jobs. These are the signals we want to go out there. State agencies, I respect them. Tiwa, they have the right to do invitation. But my appeal is that let's use innovative ways, especially when you can mean well, but the signal can be that you are trying to silence your opponents. Now, Chairman, Obi Kasa, now Tiwa and promotions 2-3 within a short time. Why are you concerned with Tiwa instead of questioning the system? This is a country where if you are a major and you want to cross to Lieutenant Colonel, your names must show up at the Jubilee House for it to be marked before you continue. We know this. This is what has happened in this country. If you are a police officer, Chairman, now do rank beer and send over taking any step, your list must go to Jubilee House across governments.
You mean seat of government?
Seat of government. Even the number one man is chosen by the president. And Chairman, sir didn't say, Mami way, one promotion. It's neither here nor there. Be bold. We should not be hypocrites. Go to the root of it. We should come to a place where an independent committee gives promotion based on Nipa Nejuma Waye. Now, me pekrani police officer or person yet say because of preposition. Those people, when I'm out of government, they will come for me too. I'm not saying that's what is happening at Chairman. I'm choosing my words carefully. Exactly. But point I me yani say, let's use ways it will come without controversy. Say Nipa ne cross na once na dinechia. Oh, friend about kitchen pekwan bisu na pharmacy. Look, Officer Pofo, he's been going to the police on this voice issue. Chairman,
Oko Court.
Yes, Oko Court cry. Now, Chairman, the Sewaka Court. Me share picture B of the His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama. any lawyer Ayenini ni some of the NDC folks who were in court on this issue chairman who show mo dimino omo ye din atresi din tie judge no. That is the place where politicians become sober. As for the police, they can tell you we are coming, we are not coming. So the police should be in a hurry to process their things to AG and let it go to court. If you want to invite people, find ways that show that you are ready to drink deep. Arrest them. You have the right to arrest. You are the state. After no, now one man, that short time now call. But I'm not calling for I'm coming, chairman. I'm not calling for capricious or whimsical arrest, chairman. Just say what 2 minutes no answer here.
If we say invitation to for some for no
chairman, my point is that we could have found other innovative ways. Now let me
say keep it for crime so and
chairman, I don't want to look. The lawyers say echo responding. You can write to his lawyers that I want answers to this. If the entire police invite you when they are investigating a matter, it's not necessarily to make you commit yourself. Sometimes your comments can save you the trouble of going to court. Cham, are you getting it?
Me too.
A police officer invites you most of the time so that your comment will show say they don't need to even proceed with you. If you are unavailable information, it will save the state the trouble, yourself the trouble. So you need answers. You can write to him.
So it's not what you do or what you say, it's how you say it and how you do it.
Now, Mepacho, nobody will be in power forever. It is true. In the past. But we don't want a vicious cycle. Let's apply innovative ways. I agree with Kojo Oponkruma. He said something. Or say government is not interested. Chairman, I'll conclude with my minister's words. It is not government's business to silence either radio stations or individuals, chairman. But the way we go about it can send a signal which is opposite. And sometimes the signals in the public matter. The Kufado's achievements are enough to sustain us. We don't need other kinds of signals that will do interference. And then my own Sami Jefi Oba and Vim. Nipa no watching that. Odi we mu be mu ache say ye kumio ya so mi ko na ye chese dede na dosu chairman. They should apply innovative ways.
Can baby sir say you mean common sense?
Baby sir chairman.